And then they jumped. You jumped. And then they ran off.
Janessa's practicing the mouth part for the Nutcracker.
They ran off. Where's your whiskers? You gotta make your whiskers. You wiggle your fingers? There you go. And then when the clock chimed, they got scared. So what did they do? Do you remember? You don't remember when they got scared? Oh my God. Do you wiggle your knees? And then some of them went like this, right? Can you do that? No, the mice. You remember when they got scared? They wiggled their beak things because they were scared. Scared mouse, scared mouse. And then they jumped back up. And then they ran some more. Where's your whiskers? Where's your whiskers? There you go. I'm trying to think what else they did. Oh, yeah. And then when they were making fun of the soldiers, what'd they do? They went like this. Shake, 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 shake. And when the guns got fired, they went, oh no! Can you jump? They went, oh, no problem!
Are you a shy mouse? Are you a shy mouse, Janessa?
Yeah.
Bang!
Yeah. You shy? Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake.
Shake, shake, shake. Little mouse. That was your favorite part.
Shake, shake, shake. It's everybody's favorite part. Good job. My favorite part